In an era of unprecedented monetary expansion, the United States dollar faces growing competition from Bitcoin. One asset is strictly limited to 21 million units. The other one can be printed on demand. Today, we present a clear, fact-based comparison between Bitcoin and the United States dollar across critical dimensions that directly affect your financial sovereignty. If this topic matters to you, please like and subscribe for more objective financial analysis. Welcome to the channel. This video provides a structured comparison between Bitcoin and the United States dollar. We'll examine scarcity, control, portability, transaction cost, speed, custody, privacy, and historical performance. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Bitcoin has a hard-coded maximum supply of 21 million coins that will ever be created. In contrast, the United States dollar can be printed on demand by the Federal Reserve with no predetermined limits. This fundamental difference significantly affects the long-term value preservation. Bitcoin offers users direct control through self-custody. When you hold your private keys, no intermediary can restrict access. However, self-custody is a double-edged sword. It grants full ownership, but demands complete personal responsibility. The United States dollar operates under institutional custody and their rules. Banks and governments maintain control, and the funds can be frozen or restricted based on regulatory decision. Which approach do you prefer? Comment below, Bitcoin control or bank custody, and share your reasoning. Bitcoin is substantially more portable. A user can memorize a recovery phrase and transport significant value across international borders without detection limits. Bitcoin typically features lower transaction fees and faster settlement times, often completing within minutes to an hour. International United States dollar transfers, however, involve higher fees and can take several business days. Additionally, regulations limit the amount of physical USD one can transport or deposit, commonly $10,000, without triggering reporting requirements. Bitcoin provides greater privacy than traditional banking systems. Although it is synonymous rather than fully anonymous, the United States dollar offers virtually no privacy, as banks must report transactions, monitor accounts, and comply with the extensive surveillance regulations. Over its history, Bitcoin has demonstrated substantial overall appreciation despite notable volatility. The United States dollar, by design, loses value through inflation as more currency is introduced into circulation. The gradual erosion of purchasing power represents a significant long-term challenge for U.S. dollar holders. Bitcoin was created by an individual or a group known only by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. To this day, the true identity remains unknown. This stands in sharp contrast to the fully transparent and centralized governance structure of the United States dollar. Bitcoin, the United States dollars, represents two contrasting monetary systems. One emphasizes scarcity, individual control, and decentralization. The other prioritizes institutional stability and elasticity. The optimal choice depends on the individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and financial objectives. Thank you for watching this comparison. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you think someone else can benefit from this information, go ahead and share it with them. Make sure to check out the video, Bank Bail-ins versus Bank Bailouts, right here. See you next time.